How to burn belly fat safely with the help of fat-burning berries? When it comes to slimming down, one of the truest pieces of advice you can get is to reduce sugar intake. While true, it's still more complex than a yes or no answer. Fruits contain sugar, but they're good for us and they help us lose weight. It's worth noting that fruits aren't really high in sugar, especially if you compare them to jelly donuts. Fruit sugars are unprocessed and humanity was consuming them for thousands of years. When people state that sugar is a fat burner's number one enemy, they mean refined sugars such as those in modern processed foods available to us today. But eating whole foods, fruits included, will do your body a favor. In this video, we're going to show you 5 fruits that are proven to have many benefits and which you can do to accelerate your body's fat-burning process. Let's begin with Goji berry. You might have heard this fruit being marketed as a superfood, and they're not wrong. Goji berries have a lot of vitamins, and what's special about them are the phytonutrients they contain. Phytonutrients are chemicals found only in plants that have positive effects on our body's functioning. According to a study published by the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, goji berries affect physical and mental health positively, thus keeping the body free of inflammatory pain and helps the mood to become stable. The fruit is also credited for fighting fatigue. Trying to increase our body's fat-burning ability can be challenging, but thankfully there's the goji berry to help keep us physically and mentally healthy. The second fruit on our list is cranberry. Cranberry juice is pretty popular because they prevent urinary tract infections. But did you know that eating the fruit is more beneficial? They're high in antioxidants and their fiber is good for you. The fruit also has anti-inflammatory compounds to protect you from chronic pain as well as digestive issues. Consuming the fruit fresh is the way to go, especially when cranberry juice can sometimes be sweetened and stripped off the fruit's fiber. Always eat fiber because fiber plays a huge role in fat burning. Next is the Acerola cherry. This fruit is native in tropical areas such as South America, and surprisingly, it's high in vitamin C. In fact, it has more vitamin C than any other fruit. Vitamin C needs to be replenished daily, and one Acerola cherry is enough to supply our needs. The fruit is also high in carotenoids, which are another type of antioxidant to help protect cells from damage as well as promote healthy cell growth. Moreover, acerola has bioflavonoids that help keep us looking young and prevent degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. It's a complete package for such an uncommon fruit. Have you ever tried one? Let us know in the comments what acerola is like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for alerts of new videos in the future. The next fruit on our list is the pomegranate. Studies show that the extracts of this red fruit were found to have all the antioxidants needed by the body to prevent tumor growth. In addition, essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, and folate are found in the fruit. The fruit has everything you need for healthy-looking skin. Doctors also recommended pomegranate in fighting against digestive issues as well as prostate cancer. And when your body is burning fat, the more you're protected from chronic illnesses such as cancer. Last but not the least, the acai berry. The acai berry helps in stabilizing hormones, making metabolism consistent. Metabolism determines whether we will gain weight or lose it. The berry suppresses feelings of cravings and directs the body to burn the stored fuel instead, which is body fat. In addition, a healthy metabolism affects our mood too, as well as our energy level. Expect better performance with this fruit, and combining these 5 will create a medley of health benefits that will lead to rapid fat burning. And it's simple, what you need is to add them to a plain Greek yogurt of your choice. You can add other ingredients such as whole oats if you're not concerned about carbs. This snack you can have every day is perfectly balanced because you get the healthy fats from yogurt, micronutrients from the berries, and healthy carbs from the whole grains. Just the right blend. And since there's yogurt, it's best to eat it at night so the probiotic activity happens while you sleep. Now, besides making your own snack using these berries, there are products out there that combine all of them for you. Preparation and consumption will be easier and your results faster. One such example is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This product made rounds when a 45-year-old woman by the name of Susan Adley tried it in her weight loss attempts. It was recommended by her doctor who discovered the ancient weight loss recipe from Okinawa, Japan, the place where virtually no one is obese and aging prematurely. She knew she needed to lose all the excess pounds because she was already suffering from osteoarthritis as well as heart problems. She took the tonic every morning and she started losing weight. She was reported to have lost 54 pounds in 7 weeks and she looks a lot better now. Check her results out using the link in the description below. It was a life-changing breakthrough. Staying in shape and being healthy is not very difficult if you have all the knowledge of it. If you love this video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for alerts whenever we upload new health videos. Thanks for watching!